Okay. Uh, what all we should learn to improve our English? What do you think about conditional? Is it
Do not
important or
require.
not? Not
No,
required.
not
And
required.
what do you think about causative verb? Is it important or not?
So I'm telling you, you do not need to learn grammar. Do not study grammar. Learn English on the focusing on the sentence pattern. How the sentence is being framed. Right now, I'm telling you that I am not getting your voice. I'm not getting your voice. So here the one pattern is I'm just saying I am getting, and this is the
Yeah.
pattern. I am getting 5 lakh rupees salary. In other words, the main sentence is I am getting. What are you? I am getting nervous. Another I am getting, and that simply change the word. What are you?
Yeah.
Hello.
Right.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Next month, my friend is getting married. Simple. So getting. This is the pattern you need to learn. How the
Yeah.
sentence is being.
You mean to say that more and more we have to learn sentence structures.
Yes, sentence
What all
structure,
our
sentence
sentence
pattern.
structures are there, and by learning these sentence structures, we can improve our English and we can become fluent
Yes.
very easily.
And yes, but that's why you need to listen to others, how they are framing sentences. And there are some specific patterns that is most frequently used. And that's why learning chunks, learning the groups where sentence is already framed. So grammar is already there. You do not need to learn anything else.
Yeah,
Got it?
I agree with you. I agree with you. There is no need to learn all the grammar rules and adjective, adverb, verbs, noun,
Nothing.
pronoun. Beginner, they
That is
what
not going to work. That is not going to help you to speak good English. That is not going to
yeah,
help.
yeah. But for knowledge purpose, it is good.
Yes,
But
knowledge,
for
okay, you learn, you can.
it's not necessary.
I have lots of friends. Actually, I'm the government English teacher and government English lecturer. So in that rank, I have lots of friends. They are in the same level or the same rank. So they have very good knowledge of the grammar, but they are not able to speak.
Yeah, because
It
they are
simply
not
requires something positive.
they're not get into spoken, and they are not
Yes.
speaking in around your surrounding. They are not speaking their surroundings.
Mhm.
They are just using their native language because of that. So there are lots of English teachers. They know everything, but they are not able to speak English language. Same with those persons. So it comes
Right.
by practice, by speaking.
Speaking only, yes.
So how do you how did you learn English language?
Yeah, it's the same way only. Same way only. And once the YouTube came and actually in India, and actually the data can become cheap. So I just get a smartphone and I start watching YouTube videos. So
Okay.
simply watch video, and because I was watching video in English video, so I was not able to speak. But what happens? I try to speak the same video in my own words because at that time the data was very difficult. The network was not so good. So I have watched a video, 2 or 3 minutes video, and at that time the data get consumed. So then I try to speak the same video. This is the way. This is the way what happened. My English improved dramatically, and this is the way I
Okay.
become English trainer. English trainer.
Yeah, yeah. It happens. And how long have you been teaching English?
Actually, the English teaching is online teaching from last 6 or 7 years I am teaching, but the overall the 15 to 16 years I am teaching English speaking. From last 15 to
Okay.
16 years I am teaching. Yes.
It's a huge experience.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. But we are the learner. If I commit mistakes, so please let me know.
Yes,
I'm
actually
not
I'm
the
telling you.
professor.
I'm telling you to learn English speaking, just you need to focus on this. The trick I have told you. Simply watch. And if you, I am just giving you one more extra. If you want to become extraordinary English speaker, and so focus that the English you always English whose English you always admire, any celebrity or any politician or any news anchor. Simply listen his one sentence, repeat that sentence 3 times, and
Okay.
then take pause. Just he has spoken one sentence. You need to just copy his style, the way he's speaking, his pronunciation, sentence formation, every single thing 3 times. Then go next sentence. Then 3 times again. Next sentence 3 times again. This is the way complete the entire video, 2 or 3 minutes video, and then entire video, say in your own words. Do it daily. And I am telling you,
Okay.
within 1 month, you will speak extraordinary English. You will learn pronunciation. You will learn grammar. You will learn new vocabulary. You will learn idea how to develop English. And you will learn everything.
Right. It's a great idea. I will follow.
Yes.
Because I'm housewife as well as working professional, and I have lots of hobbies. So I do all the things at the same time. That is why I didn't get much time. I don't get much time, but
Mhm.
I call out some time for my practice.
Sure.
So
And if you
definitely
want to
I will
learn more
focus
about
on
English
something.
speaking, more
Yes.
English speaking, you can join with me some session in the Zoom, where I will just also teach the how what is actually fluency is and how you can develop your fluency to final level, how you can develop your confidence that you can speak about anything in front
Okay.
of camera. Not only have a discussion about your hobbies and about your some plans and about your housework. Actually, whatever I see that lots of YouTubers, they are just learning English in this way, that they are having simply this discussion on about the something common thing. And actually you are
Yeah.
able to discuss about the something. But the main thing is that I am telling you, learn over state of learning. Over state of learning. And you can understand that suppose that you have to lift the 10 kg weight, but you are practicing to lift a 20 kg weight. So because you're practicing to double or more than required, so you will get your skills will get developed to next level. Same thing is
Okay.
learning English. Learn
Okay.
to sales in English. How you can sell something. How you can teach something.
Okay.
Something in English. Already, how you can teach English to speaking to somebody. And once you will focus in this way, your English will improve dramatically. That is called over state of learning. Once I start learning English, so I also start learning that how I will teach other people to speak English. Believe me
Okay.
that speak English is very easy, but make other people to speak it's very difficult.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. And
Right. Right.
essentially,
Okay.
I started learning that. I started learning that in English. And that had helped me to become a very good English speaker, very confident English speaker.
Okay. When you are going to take a Zoom session?
Yes, actually, yes, Saturday, Sunday, I am absolutely free. You can simply hear that. Simply, you can just message me, and whenever I will just free, I will just tell you. Yes, you can join session,
Okay.
Zoom session,
Uh,
and join some Zoom session. I promise you, you will learn a lot, and you will enjoy
okay.
a lot my session.
Please share me the link when you conduct a
Actually,
Zoom session.
I take one-to-one session where I just focus on the requirement of one specific student. Every student is individual student is very unique. He has unique
O-
requirement. So I take one-to-one session like this, the way I am taking you, so that I can focus on your weakness, and you just go become to next level.
Okay. What do you charge for that?
Yes, task.
What do you charge for that?
Actually, the charge is actually I'm telling you was just join one session, and the people who joined session with me, they simply just said whatever the fees they want to just give me. Okay, English teaching is my passion, and I am
Okay.
telling you I have made sufficient amount of the from the my English teaching. From a corporate people who are whatever their package, I am able to make my the same things in my English teaching. So the
Okay.
fees is not the main thing is that's my passion. English teaching is my passion.
Okay. So I will connect with you whenever I get time. I will drop the message to you.
Yes, yes, sure.
Then we'll do
Okay.
one session.
So you
So I
can
want to
do a
share.
multiple session and learn the fluency. How you can just go to fluency. Learn the right thing rather than just simply having a discussion. Already. Learn right things. Whatever your hobby, you can start it. If your channel in YouTube in English. Got it? And that you can just get huge money from YouTube. YouTube requires something specific, something brilliant, rather than just keep repetition of the simple conversation. Got idea? If you have some skills, some hobby, whatever you have, how you can just make this hobby to teach other people, where the people get to know through YouTube to you.
Yeah. I tell you one thing.